Hello everybody, what is up? So finally Apple has decided to come to India, and personally I was waiting for this moment from last 9 years maybe, but yeah, I'm glad it's happening and let's get started. Apple Store is starting from 23rd of September, but I'm just over here to talk about some benefits of having Apple Store in India. So the first point which is mentioned on the website is shopping assistance. So basically, while I used to go and shop my own products, there were times when the sales executive was having no idea about the Apple products at all. So I used to tell him that bro, ये सब चीज़ें हैं इसमें, ये सब चीज़ें हैं इसमें, ये तो आ ही रही है ना, ये तो नहीं आ रहा है ना. So all these things now will be covered by Apple professionals, and they will be telling us that no, this is the product. They will explain it to you properly. Everything will be done online as of now. I don't know about the physical stores when they are going to start, COVID scenes. But yeah, Apple Assistance is coming, and I think it will be great because it will be done by some of the professionals at Apple. So the second point over here is free and safe delivery. I don't know why they have mentioned that free delivery. The Apple products are so expensive, like they have to deliver it for free, right? Yeah, but it's mentioned that it will be no contact delivery. So that is something nice. I don't know why they had to mention that, because every other online marketplace is doing that. So that brings me to the third point, which is choose how to pay. So they have mentioned Visa, MasterCards, UPI and EMI assistance. I think that Apple will bring its Apple credit card, and if they do so that would be a great thing for India, because they have brought to lots and lots of other countries as well. But if that comes to India, there will be like lots and lots of offers if you buy from the Apple credit card on the Apple Store. So yeah, I'm really very excited for that. If they bring Apple credit cards and Apple Store, they work together very seamlessly. So I think they should bring that. But other than that, there are all great options. So yeah, that brings me to the fourth point, which is turn your iPhone or your old Android phone into an iPhone. So what Apple does over here is they take your old phone, or they take your older iPhones and they recycle it. They use the older parts, they recycle it, whatever is needed and all that crazy things. So they give you a better value of that product. So the fifth point, which is configure your product. So for example, this is my 16-inch MacBook, and this comes with a 16 GB RAM. So if I want a 32 GB RAM, I do not have an option as of now, because I get the stock MacBook which is available in the market with 16 GB of RAM. If I want an upgraded version, I have to buy another bigger version of this, which comes with like 1 TB SSD. Then it comes with a 32 GB RAM. From now on, what we can do is, if we have this product, Apple will charge only for the products which you want. In this system, if I want 32 GB of RAM, so then I can do that before buying, and it comes sealed from Apple. So they make the product for you, and that is something really very nice. So now we can configure our products online itself and get it delivered to us, and that is something really nice and really huge. So coming to the next point, which is personal sessions. So most of the people who are buying Macs or iPads or iPhone, they're buying it for the first time, right? But so many people are switching from Windows, or many people are switching from Android, so they don't understand the operating system. So for them, Apple will give you personal sessions online, and they will teach you how to use your device and how productive you can be. So the next point is Apple Care Plus. So we already had Apple Care. Before, we used to buy third-party insurance for our iPhone or for our Macs or whatever things we are buying from Apple. So from now on, Apple Care Plus is supported in India, and now we can actually get insurance from Apple itself. It's just an insurance thing. Covers mostly all of your accidental damages for like 3 years, or maybe 1 or 2 accidental damages. I don't have any idea. Also extended warranty. Everything will be there in a cheaper rate, or in a rate which already other third party insurance companies are asking for. So that is what is something really good. Support is on call. Personally, I think that Apple support is the best support you get after you buy your device. They take your screen sharing, they do whatever they can to fix your device. Not in case of my iPhone 11 Pro, but yeah, I still cry about that. But mostly your problems will be solved online. I will mention Apple Care phone number into the description box below, so you can just call and tell them your problems. But it was already there in India. I think it will be much more nicer with the experience. It's already very nice. So summing this up, 23rd is the date, 23rd September. Apple is finally coming to India, and I cannot tell you guys how excited I am, because I think there will be price drop as well, as Apple is directly going to sell to us. I hope they do. I don't think so they will do it, but I hope they do. But yeah, so okay, thank you for watching this video, and as always, like, share, subscribe. Dhanyavad guys, and please take care of yourself. Bye bye.